Hi guys, Jean here with another Mars anomaly. This time I'll be taking speculation to the extreme. I found what looks like either a giant bird sculpture or monument or possibly a fossil. I don't know guys, have a look where I found it. It's inside a crater. Now, was it formed naturally? Is this a geological erosion type of effect or process that's taken place here? Is that possibly a broken off piece that should be part of the wing over here? Or is this just a natural occurring anomaly? Guys, I'm not sure. Let me take you to the NASA page. I'll include the URL for you guys in the video description. Okay, it's loading. Okay, and I'll take you to it. It's in the top right hand corner. And there it is. Now if you look at the shadows and the highlights caused by the sunlight coming in from about the 9 o'clock position, I'd say this is definitely an object lying inside the crater. The left hand side is lit, same as with the crater here, so the sunlight's definitely lighting the left hand side, and then the shadows on the right, so it looks to me as if that's definitely on top of the crater. And guys, let me quickly show you a close-up of it. It might even have an eye. Let's just go up. Let's really zoom in quite close. Over there, look at that. Could that be an eye? This is very difficult to tell. If it was a monument or a sculpture of a bird, it must be quite old and pretty eroded. Otherwise, could it be a fossil? Now that's really stretching it there, guys. I know, pure speculation. Oh man, let me know what you guys make of this anomaly. As I say, the video description will include the link to my blog where there's a enhanced version of this image where I've just changed the contrast a bit so you can see more of the details, and the eye pops as well. Let's have a look there. Okay, this is not so big, but yeah, when you look at this you can see there's an eye there. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Should be able to. Okay, that's his. Whoa. Sorry about that, guys. This is. What happened? Okay, I see. That's because it's a responsive page. There we go. Have a look at that. Could that be an eye? Guys, I don't know. Have a look at this. Shoulders, wings, squiggly tail. Who knows what the creatures looked like on Mars? Maybe they did have squiggly tails. And a beak, obviously, and there's the head. Alright guys, that's it for this anomaly. Thank you for watching, and keep well, be safe, take care, and I'll get back to you soon with another anomaly. Cheers for now. Bye bye.